So after 6 years, I'm going to change the tires of my Polo GT TSI. So you can see there are a lot of cracks, and I have used these tires to the fullest. I think 6 years is a long time. So I've been doing some research which tire I can go with. So I decided I'll go with Continental UC6. I'll show you the other front tire as well, and you can see a lot of cracks. And same is the case with both the rear tires as well. So today is the day I'm going to change the tires, and as per my research, my understanding, Continental UC6 is the one for my car. So let's go there. So this is where I'm going to change the tire. The shop name is Tire Empire. It's in HSR layout, Bangalore, and so you can see there are so many other vehicles. It's on a weekday, but still I had to wait. Yes, I'm waiting. So these are the 4 tires which are going to replace my existing Apollo tires. So I just need to verify the year and the week. It shows 23rd week and 2025 year, so that looks good to me. And as I mentioned, I went through a lot of reviews and I found the Continental UC6 as the right choice for my car. So they told me that I need to wait for an hour because along with the tire change, I opted for the premium wheel balancing and alignment check as well. So they will be doing that, and also there are a couple of other vehicles, so I will have to wait more time, I guess. I will let you know the total amount I paid here for the tire change and the wheel balancing. Finally, the work has started, and they will remove these tires soon. So in this premium service, they do all this type of testing where they apply some weight on the tire, and each and every part of the tire will be tested. So that's why I opted for the premium service. It checks all the areas. After all the testing done as part of the premium service, now the tires are ready to be placed. So that will be the next step. So coming back to the Continental UC6 tires, as I mentioned, I did a lot of research in YouTube before deciding which tire to choose for my car. Even the showroom, the tire shop guys also suggested Continental UC6. There were multiple comparisons I did with different other tire brands, but finally my selection was for the Continental UC6. Let me tell you, this Tire Empire shop guys service, they're really good and they were really polite, and I didn't face any issues with them. They were addressing all my concerns and they were providing me good suggestions. And once the work started, it was seamless. They have a process, they follow each process, and they're always there to explain what they are doing. If you go and ask them, they will explain what is this step and why are we doing this step, like that they will explain. And I really like their service. This is not a paid promotion at all. I don't know them, they don't know me, so this is just a customer satisfaction you are listening to. And now comes the next level of testing, which they are going to check the steering alignment, and they use this system, and you can see that my car is connected now. And this mechanic now, he will be checking the steering alignment, and he explained me also how this is done. So you can see that he is trying something. There is a tool assembled inside my car right now. So he explained, when I asked him what he's doing, he said that the display shows some degree, the numbers that shows that how much alignment is good. So this is how it looks like after changing all the 4 tires, and the tire looks a bit dirty because it was raining whole day. So after changing all the tires, now the cabin noise has reduced a lot. I can really feel the difference, and also I feel the suspension has improved because this Continental UC6 tires are softer. So I feel a huge difference while I drive. So this is the final invoice I received. So for one tire they charged 8,400, and so for all 4 tires they charged me around 33,600, including some tax. And you can see that the other services I asked them to do. And the second last one is the wheel for synchronization, which I talked about in the middle of this video, where they apply the force on each area of the tire and check if everything is okay. The tire dealer will generate the warranty for you. Once they create the warranty, you just need to download an application named Conti TCP, and you have to log in using your phone number. And once you log in, you will be able to see the tires registered for warranty, and you have to select the vehicle. And you have, in my case, I changed all the 4 tires, so I can see the warranty for all the 4 tires.